I now have the privilege to introduce our speaker for today's session, Ms. Sucheta Dalal, who is one of the best-known financial journalists in India and also the founder trustee of Moneylife Foundation and the managing editor of Moneylife magazine. Ms. Dalal has worked with some of India's leading newspapers, including Business Standard, The Times of India, Economic Times, and Indian Express. Her career of over 25 years of outstanding investigative journalism spans the Harshad Mehta scam, C.R. Bansali scam, and exposure of Enron, bad loan in banks, numerous corporate frauds, and regulatory lapses. Based on her outstanding investigative journalism spanning over 2 decades, she was awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2006. In 1993, she was awarded the Chameli Devi Award for Outstanding Journalism, as well as Femina's Women of Substance Award after breaking the Harshad Mehta scam story. May I now invite Ms. Dalal to begin the session.
Now, one of the things that very few people know about is this Married Women's Property Act. Okay, under the Act, you yourself can buy this insurance, or your husband can buy this insurance, any insurance. It's not one particular. You just have to say that you're buying it under this act, under section 6 of this act. Okay. Now, here's a story which it's a true story. Guy who had large borrowings, was in business, and this is especially useful for people who are from business families because the risks are higher. He suddenly passes away and all the creditors start hounding him. Luckily, the guy had the foresight to have bought a fairly hefty insurance in the name of his wife. You know, the law says that you can't, a lot of people don't like this insurance because there's nothing you can do to change the beneficiaries once the beneficiaries are there. Okay? It forms an automatic trust without having to go under the Trusts Act. So a lot of people say that under a will, people make trusts, especially for children who are differently abled or are not going to be able to take care of themselves. It's easier to do this by just taking this policy, and it becomes an automatic trust, and the beneficiaries can't be changed. No term of the policy can be changed. This policy can't be hypothecated. There can't be a loan against it. Nothing can be done. The policy holder can only pay the premium. So it is the safest way. No tax authority can attach this property. No court or creditor can attach the money, the benefits that you get under this policy. And yet every insurance company tells us that there is so little awareness about it and very few people take it. So it's something that it's worth all of you, especially those who have husbands and are dependent on them, who are in high risk areas.